In the ever-tense Middle East, the military rivalry between Israel and Iran stands at the heart of regional power dynamics, and their air forces represent the sharp edge of this confrontation. Israel's Air Force, the Israeli Air Force, IAF, is widely regarded as one of the most technologically advanced and combat-proven in the world. Equipped with state-of-the-art American aircraft such as the stealthy fifth-generation F-35I Adir, the multi-role F-16I Sufa, and the air superiority F-15I Ram. Israel's aerial fleet combines stealth, speed, precision, and real-time intelligence. The F-35I, a customized version of the U.S. F-35 Lightning II, is designed with Israeli electronic warfare systems, making it uniquely suited for complex regional threats. Israel's extensive combat experience, from missions in Syria to precision strikes on Iranian-linked targets, has made the IAF not only a powerful air force, but also a strategic deterrent. On the other hand, Iran's air force, known as the Islamic Republic of Iran Air Force, IRIF, is built on older platforms and heavily influenced by decades of sanctions and limited access to modern Western technology. Iran operates a variety of legacy aircraft such as the F-4 Phantom II, F-5 Tiger, and F-14 Tomcat from its pre-revolution era ties with the United States. Additionally, it has incorporated Russian-made MiG-29s and Su-24s, and more recently, has focused on indigenous development with aircraft like the Kausar and Seke, which are based on older U.S. models. While Iran's fleet lacks the stealth, avionics, and combat capability of Israeli jets, it compensates through a powerful missile and drone program, including long-range cruise missiles, ballistic missiles, and advanced UAVs such as the Shahed and Mohajer series, which have been used in regional conflicts. Iran's strategy leans heavily on asymmetric warfare, combining air defenses like the Bavar 373 and Russian S-300 systems with a network of proxies such as Hezbollah to challenge Israeli air superiority indirectly in a direct aerial confrontation. Israel's advanced training, superior aircraft, and integrated command systems would likely dominate, but Iran's layered air defenses and strategic depth mean any potential conflict would be far more complicated than a simple dogfight. It's not just a matter of planes, it's about radar evasion, cyber warfare, early warning systems, satellite surveillance, and the ability to strike with precision across vast distances. This ongoing standoff reflects the broader geopolitical struggle between a highly advanced, Western-aligned military power and a regional force relying on self-reliance. Unconventional tactics and ideological influence. As both sides continue to expand and upgrade their capabilities,